Hey guys, welcome back to the Golang with CSRF project series. In this video, we're tackling this function called the update refresh token CSRF function. So this function takes the old refresh token string, and it returns a new refresh token string. To be able to do that, it needs to accept the new CSRF string as well. So you'll say new CSRF string, which is again of type string, and new CSRF new refresh token string that is returning is of type string, and it might return an error of type error. All right. So here you will have. So again, this is the same standard drill. You will get access to the refresh token, get access to the refresh token by using the parse with claims function. Then you get access to the refresh token claims. Now, one thing to remember here is that this will be the old refresh token, right? Because you're getting the old refresh token string, so you'll get access to the old refresh token and you'll get access to the old refresh token claims. Make sense? And then you want to create the refresh claims for the new token, and you'll create a new refresh JWT token, and you will create a new token string. So these are the 5 things that you want to do in this function. Okay. So let's do the first thing, which we have been doing in all of the functions till now, which is jwt.parse with claims. You know that this function takes a refresh token string. It takes models.token claims, and it takes a function which is basically a token, okay, and which returns an interface comma error. And this function has some definition. So this function returns verify key and this value you want to capture in refresh token. Awesome. Now let's get access to the refresh token claims. So you'll say old refresh token claims comma OK is equal to refresh token dot claims dot models dot token claims, and here you'll say if not OK, you want to return from here. And refresh claims, to create the new refresh claims, you need to say refresh claims is equal to models dot token claims, and there are a few fields, right? And that claims, you have ID, you have subject, you have expires at. And you also have your you also have, so okay, so this firstly this will be part of the JWT dot standard claims, and inside that basically you have these 3 things, which is your ID, subject, and expires at. So here you'll say ID, subject, and expires at. But outside the JWT standard claims, you also have, as part of the refresh claims, you also have the old refresh token claims dot role. So old refresh token claims dot role, comma new CSRF string, and put a comma there, and here at the end also put a comma. Now for the ID, you'll get access to the ID because now you have old refresh token claims, right? So inside that you'll find the ID. So it'll say old refresh token claims dot standard claims dot ID. For the subject, you'll say old refresh token claims dot standard claims dot subject, and expires at, you'll say old refresh token claims dot standard claims dot expires at. Okay. To create a new refresh JWT, you'll say refresh JWT. JWT package will be called here with the function new with claims. And to call this function, you need to pass get signing method, and for our project the signing method is rs256, and you'll also pass the refresh claims. Now that we've created the new refresh JWT, time to create the new token string for the refresh token string. So I'll say refresh token string, and here you'll have new refresh token string comma error is equal to refresh JWT dot signed string and sign key. You'll return from here. Okay. So this is what our update refresh token CSRF function does. It takes the old refresh token string and the new CSRF string, returns a new refresh token string. There's a small typo there, I fixed it. And to be able to return the new refresh token string, you first need access to the refresh token. Then you need access to the token claims for the old refresh token. So old refresh token string was passed, and using that and the parse with claims function, you got access to the old refresh token. Then you got access to the old refresh token claims. And then using that, you created the new refresh claims, which basically first you got access to the ID using the old refresh token claims or standard claims or ID. Then you got access to the subject and then expires at, and then apart from these, the standard claims, the part there is also old refresh token claims.role as part of the refresh claims and new CSRF string. Then you create the refresh JWT, and then using that you create the new refresh token string, and that's what you return from this function. Now this almost completes our myjwt.go file, and there'll be a couple of things here and there, but like a lot of things have been done. A lot of our work has been taken care of, and then we'll mostly fill in the blanks in the next upcoming videos. We'll fix all, we'll basically complete the functions that are remaining, and then we'll focus most of our energy on just fixing most of the issues that may have been created. So all the squiggly lines that you see, all the issues that you're seeing, we'll fix all of that, and then we'll test this program, and then we'll push it to GitHub, and you can fork it from there, or you can pull it, you can basically clone it and then start using it. So thank you for watching till here, and do subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and because I keep coming out with awesome content and awesome projects like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.